Hello everyone! Hi! Thank you so much for being here. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Maayong buntag sa tanan. And if you are watching this live or in replay, I want to say thank you for being here with me. This is my first go live. Kaya medyo kinakabahan ako, but I'm so excited to be here. And I'm here with my little supporter. This is my son, Hugo. And let me know in the comments from where you are watching para naman alam ko na may kausap ako today. So for those who don't know me, my name is Orvi and I am working as a registered nurse for over 15 years now. And I have also a son, which you just met, si Hugo, and I am also a wife to a registered nurse as well. I am currently here with my family in Australia and we are in Queensland. Napakainit po ngayon dito. But before moving here in Queensland, we were in Dubai for so many years, more than a decade, working as registered nurses. So dito, I am working as a practice nurse. And yes, I am a digital business owner as well. So thank you so much. I can see that I have one live viewer. Thank you for being here. So a little bit of background. Before moving here in Australia, yun nga sa Dubai, I was working with my husband as well. Doon kami nagkakilala. At syempre, being OFWs, it's really hard kasi we have to work 6 days a week, 8 to 10 hours a day. And with the son growing up, ang hirap, diba? Kasi kailangan lagi kang present, kailangan nandun ka lagi sa milestones niya. And ano naman yung pinagsisihan, Dubai has been very good to us and we're really grateful. But I reached to a point na sabi ko, kailangan may magbago, kailangan may mag-change. So when we moved here in Australia, ayun, I took a leap of faith and I'm here now. Kaya i-share ko sa inyo ang journey ko with my business. So, why did I start this business? I started it not because I hated nursing. I really love caring for people. That's why I lasted for almost 15 years now. But since nandito na sa akin si Hugo, nandito na sa amin si Hugo at lumalaki na siya, I wanted more freedom with time, flexibility, and syempre gusto ko ng more present ako with him sa bahay. And for just being few months in the business, I can say na talagang mas present ako ngayon sa kanya. So, for all of you there na nakaka-relate sa situation ko, I think you're in the right page, you're in the right moment. This is a good sign for you. This is not by accident. You're not just watching this by accident. So my page is basically for all the moms, the nurses, healthcare workers, parents, for all the hardworking individuals na gusto ng option, just like me. But of course, this is not an overnight success. Together, we will grow, learn, and experience the beauty of this journey. We have an amazing community. Kaya I'm really glad and I'm really fortunate to be here and to experience this journey with other amazing people as well. So in my page, you will be hearing my journey, my success, my wins, my lessons, yung growth ko. At syempre, may mga struggles din naman along the way, of course. Starting a business, laging ganun, it's normal. But it's with consistency and a lot of prayers and hard work. And hard work, I know it will be a successful business soon. So ayun, thank you so much for being with me today. It's just a few minutes, but I just want to give you a little bit of background about myself. And syempre, I'm so happy na pinapanood niyo ako ngayon. So if you're watching this, please say hi, comment, message me anytime, and I will get back to you. So ayun, let me know what you would like me to talk about in my next go live. I will try as frequent as possible to fit in everything with my schedule. So, ayun. Again, this is Orby, your nurse CEO. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.